Hello friends, in this video we will see about a text center and paddings widgets. Text widget is a very simple widget used to display a string of a text. Now a string of a text may be multiple line, a single line. It depends on the layout constraint. Let's we take a text in the body of the application. It is a named argument of the scaffold widget. We will put some text like hello world and make a hard reload. Now we can see the hot hello world is located at the left of the screen. Now let's style it using a style argument. We can change its font size. We can take a 25 and we can make it a bold italic using a font weight. Now we can see a changes after a hard reloading. Now hello world is now looking like a bold letter. Now if you want to add some style in a same line but different words, that is also achievable in a Flutter using a constructor called text.reach. So let's remove this and use text.reach. Inside the text.reach, in a way we can change hello and the styling of the word differently. So inside the text span, we add the children of the type text span, and as the first text span, we will add the word hello, and we will styling it using a font size and font weight. Now in a other text span, we will add the word, so we will copy this and we will replace hello with a word and styling it differently. After a hot reloading, you can see the hello is looking like italic, but word is looking as a bold. Now the text is center left aligned. If you want to align your text is a center, for this we will use a center align widget. For this we will use a center widget. So what we do is that we place all these and make it as a child as a center widget like this. Now we can see child is the center of the screen. Now there are certain instances when you don't want to widget as the center. So for this we will use a padding. So demonstrate the padding. Let's remove this and simple text and write a simple text. Say hello world. Now we can apply a padding in it. We will wrap it within a padding widgets, and we can add a property padding using a edge inset. Edge inset all apply padding all over four sides around the widgets. So let's hot reload. You can also use edge inset. You can also use edge inset dot only if you want to align. Yeah, you have to give a padding particularly from a top, left, right, or bottom. It depends on the argument which is given in a only method. The padding is applied any of the widget. Thank you.